along here and to see parents supporting the students. Bây giờ có cái cho là gì này giờ thì mình nhớ cho sao bây giờ tôi thân là có chơi phá là có tại cho mình nhớ từ giờ là có chỉ cần này có lúc community có chế có này có chế có rõ lúc đó mình nhớ cứ cho là gì thâu mình nhớ ở trong trường là gì thâu mình nhớ ở cái đâu cái đấy không chán đó thì còn mỹ họ cũng tại nhớ tâm lý của sống họ students are very active, yeah. Your student project organization is and so I want to thank all of the students over the years who helped me with the center, the international conference, the international conference among studies. They all the day, yeah, your students, your next day, yeah. Okay. And they're the one to help organize the international conference, all the lectures, and also help digitize many of the collections and welcome international community from throughout the world to Concordia. So when you talk about what y'all get for students. So keep it up. Make y'all so Saturday I know some students said, wow, you know, if they transfer out. I know students said, well, you're leaving, so we're going to transfer out, or we're going to quit and go somewhere else. And I would say, don't do that. Concordia is a wonderful place, and continue to study, but I will continue to teach the most studies courses here as well. So you will see me, but not here all the time, like every day down in the basement. But I will continue to teach the course in the most studies minor. Again, we have the only center for most studies in the world, the first institution to offer most studies minor. So continue to, again, seek and be connected to your community, connected to your culture, and connected to your history, because that's going to make you a better person. When I first came to Concordia, they said, what do you hope to accomplish? And I said, I hope to build better Americans. Because by learning about your history, your culture, and your identity, you are much better than someone who only knows one culture. And as President Ho said, it's like walking around with one eye covered. So many of my students who are non-Hmong as well, Jamie over there, learning about the history of the community, and the history of the people, the culture of the people, that made him a better person. And always sitting in the Center for Hmong Studies and hearing everything and hearing me yelling and swearing and on sometime on the phone with other people out there. That's what I will miss about Korea. And just the students, right? The students, you are the key, and you are the reason why people like Dr. Friedrich, the two Dr. Friedrich and myself, that's why we are here, so in service, right? In service. Thank you very much, and was in touch.